President-elect Donald Trump has once again taken a jab at Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Following Trudeau's announcement on 6 January that he would step down as Prime Minister and leader of the Liberal Party once a successor is chosen, Trump used the opportunity to renew his controversial proposal for Canada to merge with the United States and become its 51st state.
That Canada needs to stay afloat. Justin Trudeau knew this and resigned. If Canada merged with the US, there would be no tariffs, taxes would go way down, and they would be totally secure from the threat of the Russian and Chinese ships that are constantly surrounding them. Together, what a great nation it would be.
This isn't the first time Trump has targeted Trudeau. The president-elect has repeatedly mocked him since imposing a 25% tariff on Canadian and Mexican imports, citing their failure to control illegal immigration and drug trafficking. In an earlier post, Trump even offered Trudeau the symbolic title of Governor of the Great State of Canada, alongside a provocative image of a conquered Canada with the caption, "For Canada." Resignation comes amid mounting pressure and criticism from both the US and India. During his announcement, Trudeau confirmed his decision to step down and revealed that he had requested the president